Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this fluffy soft pillow donut. If you have been struggling to get this white line on your donut, you are on the right channel. I'll be sharing with you all the tricks to get this donut right. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the main video. I'll be measuring out my flour, 4 cups of flour, which is 500 grams. So you can use your cup or you use your scale. That is why I try to use the both of them so that you can get it right. So that is my flour, sugar, water, powdered milk, egg, butter and yeast. All the measurements of the ingredients will be in my description box. What I will add last is the butter. So my hands are clean, it's well washed. I'll be using my hand to mix this. You can use your standing mixer, but I'll be using my hand. So I'll be dusting my work surface and bring down my dough to knead. Please, when you are dusting your work surface, the flour should be very little so that the dough will not be hardened. You want soft and fluffy donuts. So I'll knead this for 2 minutes. Then I'll add my butter. Like I said, all the measurements will be in the description box. So here is my well kneaded dough, very soft and fluffy. Cutting the dough into balls. So here are the balls. I got 13 balls from the 500 grams of flour. So I'm going to use my scale to weigh it because actually I want 80 grams per each one. So you have to make everything to be the same size. Here is my parchment paper. I'll be rolling it and putting it on top the parchment paper. I dust the parchment paper with flour. So I'll be rubbing my palm with butter. Use flour, but I don't want to use much flour like I said before. So I use butter. You see the way I'm tucking it in. By so doing, you have a smooth surface. After tucking it in, turn it and rub it with your both palm. Then I'll drop it on the parchment paper. So this is where I'll make all the balls. If you really want to have the white line to get your donuts come out very well, you have to knead your dough very well and you have to roll it out. So here I'm done. I cover it with my kitchen towel to rise for like 40 minutes, and voila, here we are. My dough is ready to be fried. If your dough over rise, it will not come out well. 40 minutes is actually okay. And please don't allow your oil to be over hot. Let your flame be on medium heat. If it's over hot, it will be brown outside and the inside will not done. Let the oil be on medium heat. So, and make sure you have a lot of oil on your pot. You see how floaty they are? They are not sinking down. So you have to have a lot of oil. Don't manage groundnut oil to fry your donuts. Don't give up on one trial. So I was there too before. I couldn't get it, but here I am now, making 100, 200 pieces of donuts within a twinkle of an eye. So here is our freshly made donuts. If you have watched to this extent, that means you like the video. Please give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, please. And to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for the support. To our new subscriber, our new family, you guys are welcome. Welcome to my channel. So here I'll be showing you how to do milky filling. Here is my powder milk. I'll mix it with condensed milk. My condensed milk have been in the fridge, that is why it's thick. So I'll mix it together to get this. You have to allow your donuts to cool down before putting in the filling. If not, the hotness will melt everything and you won't be able to get that fine. You see what I'm talking about shortly. So I'll be inserting a hole with my kitchen knife on the dough. Then pipe in the milky filling. There is milky filling, chocolate filling, strawberry filling, anyone that you want to do, but today I'm only teaching you how to make this milky filling. And this is how I pack this for my clients. This box is box of 6. There is box that contain 3, box that contain 5. So here is the milk coated one. The milk coated one is easy, just rub it with powdered milk. The sugar coated to rub it with sugar, That is all. And here is the package for my clients. So it's actually easy. You can start your donut business. You see how it is inside? Very yummy. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. See you all in my next one, and remain blessed. Bye.